Friends, today I shall tell you something new about winter season because, as you know, in our country there are 6 seasons mainly, but some seasons are prominent, and winter season is one of them. Though we know that mainly summer season ruled all over the years, and winter stays for some 2 or 3 months mainly, and for few months rainy seasons stays. But the main ruler of the seasons is summer, and which stays almost throughout the years. Okay, friends, and like many one, I also enjoy winter season because it's a very enjoyable season, and lots of festival happened in this season. We also enjoy some marriage and this kind of functions also in which are very enjoyable in this season. So, and you also know that there are lots of vegetables also produced in this season, and lots of flowers also bloomed in this season. So in overall this season is very enjoyable, and we wear lots of sweaters, jackets, and head caps, and we do picnics and celebrate lots of festivals also. So that is why, according to me, winter season is very enjoyable, and I hope you also enjoy winter season. Of choosing winter season is that whenever we try to learn spoken English, and whenever we try to speak, if we choose any topic, it will help us to speak on that particular topic, and that is why I have choose for the today winter season. And because whenever we will tell anything, we shall tell about winter, and as I tell, there are six kind of seasons. Winter season is one of those, and it stays for 2 or 3 months, and we get so many fruits, so many vegetables, so many flavors also in these seasons. And this season is very much important for all of us, and I hope all of us enjoy this season very much, because we do various types of enjoyment. We get invitation from marriage, we organize for picnics, we go for travel and tour, and lots of enjoyments are happened in this year, friends. And that is why winter season is very much important to us. And making of this video is the main aim of making of this video is that we are trying to learn spoken English, and to learn spoken English we have to speak it out. And to speak anything, I choose this topic of winter season, and I am talking on that topic. And you can see behind me that there is a kind of food item things which are generally made with black gram and some other products also mixed with it, and we produce this. And in our native language it is called bodi. Okay, friends, and some prominent flowers also are found, and marigold is one of them. You can find in the back of my camera. Okay, friends. Sorry, friends. And yes, it is also happened. This is also, you can say, the negative things of this season: cough and cold, which are generally happen in this season. But every season had some good things and bad things also, and we should enjoy everything. Cold and cough are, and sometimes fever also common things for these seasons, and it is generally feel tough for old age person and children also. But young, though, those who are young, so they can cope with it very easily. But for poor person, those who have no such quilt or warm cloth, they face some problem also, friends. So all over we can enjoy it, but like every season, this season also have some pros and cons. And maximum things are enjoyable, and there are little things which can hamper our enjoy. but overall it is very enjoyable, and I hope all of you enjoy this season very much. And the main thing is that, friends, making this video is we are trying to learn spoken English, and we shall be with another videos also, friends. Till then, keep your practice regularly, because to get fluency we have to speak.